It's 7:45 a.m. We're in Glendale, Arizona, getting ready for my ride. And today, as usual, I'll be looking at stuff, or what I really like to call making the ordinary extraordinary. I've been this way since I was a kid. Come along with me, and I'll show you. And if you're wondering what that is framed behind me, it's from the wall of the original Minder Binders. It's where I used to go when I was a student at ASU back in the 1980s. And calm down there. The images aren't obscene. A little suggestive, but nothing terrible. And yes, that's Raquel Welch up there. My first stop is Sundance Park, where I decided I would do some bird watching. Here, I'll be quiet. I've been told that those are grackles. What they're doing, what they're talking about, I have no idea. It was already 48 degrees when I headed out this morning, so I stopped behind the smoke shop here, took off a layer or two. I'm going to go roam around a little bit. Let's look at stuff. Those beautiful flowers there on the left are bougainvillea. Facing, let's see, which way are they facing? Facing south, so they get a lot of sun. That's what they need. The palm trees on the skyline are Mexican fan palms, Washingtonia robustus. The trees we're passing now on the right are eucalyptus trees, very popular in Phoenix. Evergreen, they do well here. They're native to Australia, and the Phoenix pioneers started planting them in the 1800s. Lots of them around. I haven't been back here for years. Looks nice. They've repaved the area, and this used to be a big homeless encampment back during the lockdown. I really don't mind a few transient people, because that's just part of the world, but these encampments were dangerous, especially guarded by big, scary dogs. I stop in behind these places every once in a while, but I don't hang out there. This is a place for trucks. There's just so much to see, and it changes every day. I love being out here. Tomorrow will be the first day of winter, the day that the sun stands still, which happens twice a year. That's what solstice means. Here, I'll stop talking for a little while, okay? I started trying to see the extraordinary in the ordinary back when I was about, I guess, 17 and discovered Andrew Wyeth. Thanks for riding along with me and looking at stuff. Let's do this again sometime. See you then.